Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the microphone not working issue on Windows 11 laptop or PC. First, go to the search bar and open Sound Settings. Scroll down and click on More Sound Settings. A new window will open. Now switch to the Recording tab. Make sure your microphone is properly connected and appears in the list. If it does, right-click on it and select Set as Default Device. Then go to Properties, open the Levels tab, and adjust the microphone volume to an appropriate level. Most importantly, check the microphone status. If it shows as disabled, enable it. Make sure it is not muted or turned off. Apply the changes and test your microphone again. If the issue still continues, go back to Settings and open Privacy and Security. Scroll down and click on Microphone. Make sure microphone access is turned on, and also enable Allow apps to access your microphone. Additionally, ensure that the specific apps you want to use the microphone with are also allowed. This should fix the problem. If this helped you, please consider supporting the video.